Five, four, three, two, one.
Space on Wheels.
As a part of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai,
The father of Indian space science. Centenary celebrations.
by ISRO.
Our school, St. Patrick's Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School, got an opportunity to have Space on Wheels program our campus. I'm sure this is an endeavor to inspire our children to learn more about the Indian space program. I hope you find this video informative and exciting.
Space on Wheels, a mobile exhibition unit of the ISRO. Space on Wheels is arranged inside a bus and features scale models of ISRO, launch vehicles, satellites, space applications, and the launch pads at Satish Dhawan Space Center, ISRO, Sriharikota. It's in our campus in order to set up awareness about space technology and
I am at St. Patrick's Anglo-Indian School over here in Chennai, and as you can see, I have some enthusiastic school students, all +1, +2 kids out here, and all of them were just talking to me, in fact, a couple of minutes before, telling me how excited they are that Chandrayaan-2, we are finally going to see that it is going to be a monumental moment for India as well. Just let me go to the kids right away and ask them. So, Chandrayaan-2, we are going to see that by midnight today, we are going to achieve history. As school students, how excited are you for this to, witness this?
Not only me, but if you can see all the school students over here are really excited. Everyone are enthusiastic to go home and to go and see that India is going to make history tonight.
Right. And, talking about how all of us are waiting to just go home, and of course school is over, you're still here because you wanted to talk about Chandrayaan. Just explain to me, this is a major step for India. How proud do you feel about it?
Yeah, definitely. And when a situation arises like when a person from Tamil Nadu, especially Mr. Shivan, who is the leader of ISRO currently, and when we see that such a mission is accomplished under his supervision, it's definitely a proud moment for all the Tamilians as well as all the Indians.
Right. And, talking about Tamilians as well and Indians, the team that headed the entire Chandrayaan-2 mission was 3 ladies, leading figures behind Chandrayaan-2 were ladies, in fact. Talking about women empowerment, women power, I think as women, and you yourself are a head girl as well, how do you feel about, this going to be a stepping stone, or it's going to definitely boost girls all around India as well? How do you feel about that?
I feel very happy that women are given an opportunity today, and the fact that they are doing so well today, I think it's great. And I'd be very glad if they go and land successfully. Plus, more than women, about like empowerment, it's already there, it's already sinking in. But I'd be very happy that India proved something, because we always look up to other nations, and I feel today is the day that we're really going to kill it.